To deal with files in your program, you have to differentiate between two types of files: text files and binary files. In fact, all of the data in any file is stored as binary digits, which are bits, and that is a long sequence of zeros and ones. And here it depends on how you look at these long sequence of zeros and ones. If you look at them as a sequence of characters represented by the ASCII code or Unicode, then the file represents a text file. Otherwise, it represents binary file. Let us talk about this in more detail. Let us first talk about text files. Text files are files that if you look at the data inside them, if they appear as a sequence of characters when they are opened by text editors, then we say that they are text files. So files treated as a sequence of characters called text files. For example, the files that contains your Java program source code are text files. So text files are sometimes also called ASCII files because they contain data encoding using ASCII coding or Unicoding. So any file that can be viewed and edited with a text editor, such as JGrasp editor or Windows Notepad, then it is considered as a text file. On the other hand, a file that is called binary file, its content must be handled as sequences of binary digits. All other files that are not text are considered binary files. Although it is not technically correct, you can safely think of a text file as containing a sequence of characters and think of a binary file as containing a sequence of binary digits. Another way to distinguish between binary files and text files is to note that text files are designed to be read by human beings, whereas binary files are designed to be read only by programs. An example of binary files are movie files, MP4 as an example, or music files like MP3. So for these files, access requires a special type of programs. So you cannot open these files by using a text editor. If you try to open them using text editor, then you will not see something that you can read, because the data inside them are not totally encoded by using ASCII code or Unicode. Therefore, it is very difficult for a human being to read it as a sequence of characters. As another example, when you save your Java source code using JGrasp, JGrasp saves it as a text file. However, when you compile the program, then the compiler will convert your source code into bytecode program and saves it as binary file. So the source file of your program is saved as text file with extension .java, and the bytecode of your program is saved as a binary file with extension .class. After this quick introduction about files in Java, now is the time to show you how to write programs in Java for opening files for reading and writing. We will cover that in both text files and binary files. First, we will show you how to open a text file for reading and writing, and then we will show you how to open a binary file also for reading and writing. So let us start with text files.